Good morning, student. All of you know about different geometrical figures such as triangle, square, and rectangle, etc. So these all are the closed geometrical figure which consist of line segment. Okay, and today we will discuss about a closed geometrical figure which consists of curved lines. Okay, and see here, this one is bicycle and this one is the car, then this one is this is a bike. So these all here vehicles. Wheels are one, it is a wheel of the vehicle of your cycle is square or rectangle. It is not a square or rectangle. Similarly, wheel of car or bikes are also not rectangular. This one is another shape, curved shapes. Okay, again your bangles and your chapati that we are eating, chapati. This one also one different shapes. This one is curved shapes. Okay, so today we will discuss about that shape name, and you know the name of this shape is called circle. Clear? The name of this shape is circle. So today we discuss about the circle. Clear? And now what is circle then? What is the definition of circle? So definition of circle is it is say when you draw a circle, we can draw this way. Okay, this one is the circle. Here see these circles, actually here many points are there, which all are points. These points are collecting the points and then it forms a circle. So the definition of circle, and these points are from here, one point is there, from this point it is equal distance from here to here, if 5 centimeter, then from this point to another point, if here is another, so many points are there. So from here also same distance, here also 5 centimeter. For another point from here, if you see here, see, then this one also 5 centimeters. Okay, another point you can see here, if here is another point, then this one also 5 centimeters. From this point, this fixed point, distance are all equal. So you can say the circle is what? Circle is a collection of points, collecting the point. This all point, collection of points, which are that points are this point. All the points are equidistant from a fixed point. Okay. So circle is what? What is the circle? Definition of circle: the collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point forms a circle. Clear? The collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point forms a circle, and this point, this fixed point is called the center. It is the middle point, center point. Okay, this one is called center and this one is the circle. All the points collecting together forms a circle. Clear? So definition of circle is the collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle, and that fixed point is called center. Now see different parts of circles. Okay, circles have different parts, and first part is, see, number 1, it is circumference. So circumference. So which one is the circumference? This boundary. The length of the boundary of a circle is called circumference. In case of straight, say, or square or rectangle, it is called the perimeter, a straight line. When it is a straight line, then it is called the perimeter. And in case of this curved line, the boundary length is called the circumference. Clear? The first part is this one. Second one is the diameters. So diameter, okay, diameter also there. And diameter which one? See, this one is one line segment. Okay, so here one point, say it is A, here another ends another point. This one is B and this one is the center. Say it is O is the center, and this one is the diameter. And diameter definition you can say the line segment which join. This one is the line segment which join any 2 points on the circle and passes through the center. The line segment which join any 2 points on circumference, circle circumference, any 2 points we join, but it should pass from the center. Then it is called the diameters. Clear? Okay. And next one is, third one is your radius. So radius is which one? Now see, in this figure, O you can give here C, OC. So this one also one line segment, and this line segment we join center and any point on the circle. On that circles, any point in this circumference, any point you can join from here also, here also. Okay, so this one is called the diameter or radius. This one is the radius, you can write radius small letter R, and diameter you can write small letter D. Here also see, this one is the diameter, AB is the diameter, and OC is the radius. And this part see, OB also one radius and OA also one radius. That means in one diameters, two radius is there. When you join two radius, then you will get the one diameters. When you join two radius, then we will get what? We will get the one diameter. That means diameter is double of radius. Okay. So radius definition clear? The line segment which joins center and any point on the circle is called the radius. Clear? Next part is your chord. Chord. Now chord which one? In this circle, say another line I have drawn here. Say it is DE. DE is a chord. Now what is the definition of chord? This one is a chord. C-H-O-R-D chord. Okay. So definition of chord is the line segment which join any 2 points. Here one point and here one point. These 2 points are joined a line segment, and that one is called the chord. Definition of chord is the line segment which join any 2 points on the circle is called the chord. In that sense, diameter is also a chord, and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. See, here also any 2 points joining, so we can say diameter also a chord, but that chords have a special name. That one is diameters. AB, you can say AB is also a diameters of these circles, but that special case is what? If that chord is passes through the center, then it has a special name, and that one is the diameters. See the definitions here. All the definitions are I wrote here. That one you can note down. Okay, circle one is the collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point forms a circle, and that fixed point is called the center. And different parts of circles are circumference, diameter, radius, and chord. Okay, and these definitions are I wrote here. You can note down this. Clear? And now the relation between diameter and radius. See here, diameter. You have to know only diameter is what? It is the double of radius. So diameter you can write diameter equal to 2 into radius. Okay. So relation between diameter and radius is diameter is double of radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Clear? See, that is the relation. Or you can write, this way also, radius. Radius is equal to half of, or half into, also you can write half into diameter. Clear? The relation between diameter and radius is diameter is equal to 2 into radius, or radius equal to half into diameter. That means half of diameters. Yeah. So these two are the relations. That means if you know radius, then you can find the diameter, or if you know the diameter, then you can find the radius. For example, if radius, okay, radius is given your 5 centimeter, then what is the diameter? Then you can write, use this formula. Okay, you can write, therefore diameter equal to, this is the formula, 2 into radius. So 2 into radius equal to 2 into radius value is given 5 centimeter. So in place of 5 radius you can give here 5 centimeter. So this equal to 2 5 10 centimeter. This one is the diameters. Clear? Or if you know the diameters, say diameter is given 12 centimeters, then what is the radius? Then you can write, say diameter equal to 12 centimeter. Then what is the radius? Radius, see, next second formula use radius equal to half into diameter. Again, a radius equal to half into diameter. So this equal to half into diameter is given 12. So you can write here 12 centimeter. So this one actually you have to half means divide 12 by 2. So when you divide 12 by 2, you can write this value. Here actually in fractional multiplication you have to do, or you can directly 12 you have to divide by 2. Half it. Make it half the 12. So how can you half 12? You can divide it by 2. So 2 6 ja 12. So your answer is 6. So you can write here 6 centimeter. This one is the radius. Okay. If you know radius, here radius is 5 centimeter, then you can find the formula. You can find the diameter by using this formula. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. So radius value is 5 centimeter. You put the 5 centimeter here. Then 2 into 5, it is 10 centimeter. Next, if you know the diameter, then you can find radius also. So radius is what? Radius equal to half of diameter, half into diameter, and diameter is 12 centimeter is given. That one 12 centimeter we write here. Then half into 12 equal to, that means you divide by 12 by 2, that is 6 centimeters. Clear? So this one is the relation between diameter and radius. Okay. And now in PDF format some questions I will give you, that one you have to do. Clear?